Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to spot for all things products. Today, we're diving into something perfect for the upcoming fall season and Thanksgiving celebrations. If you're looking for a fun, creative, and memorable way to celebrate with kids or spice up your classroom rewards, these 9/6 PCS Fall Autumn Pre-Cut Temporary Tattoos are hands down the best Thanksgiving classroom prizes. They're the perfect combination of fun and festive and make for awesome bulk stickers, pencils, and tattoo prizes for kids. These temporary tattoos come in a set of 96 pieces, with 8 sheets featuring adorable designs like pumpkins, leaves, and other autumn-themed images. Each sheet measures about 6.3 by 4.7 inches, so there's plenty of room for everyone to enjoy a unique tattoo. Whether you're planning a birthday party, classroom rewards, or Thanksgiving celebration, these tattoos are sure to put a smile on kids' faces. They're super easy to apply and remove. Simply choose your favorite design, place it on the skin, dampen with a bit of water, and wait for about 10 seconds. When you peel it off, you'll have a cute tattoo that lasts up to 3 days. And don't worry about removing it, just use a bit of alcohol or baby oil, and it comes right off. Now, why are these tattoos such a great addition to your fall celebrations? Well, first off, they're a hit at birthday parties, classroom events, or even as party favors and gift bags. They're also a fantastic way to keep the little ones entertained at your autumn-themed gatherings. Plus, these tattoos are safe for kids. Made with non-toxic materials, they're gentle on the skin, making them a pain-free and fun way to express creativity. They're also quite durable, staying put for up to a few days without peeling off, so kids can enjoy them long after the party is over. These temporary tattoos aren't just for kids. They're great for adults too, and they make a fantastic addition to any fall or Thanksgiving-themed event. Whether you're decorating for a school event, giving them as party favors, or using them for classroom prizes, these tattoos will surely stand out. With their rich and vibrant autumn designs, they bring the season to life and are perfect for any autumn or Thanksgiving celebration. Overall, if you're looking for a fun, easy, and budget-friendly way to make your fall events more festive, these 9/6 PCS Fall Autumn Pre-Cut Temporary Tattoos are a great choice. Kids love them, they're easy to use, and they're the perfect fall-themed addition to any celebration or party. Grab your set today and start spreading some autumn joy with these adorable tattoos. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and stay tuned for more product reviews to help make your celebrations even more special.